Well, he went to the dirt. So let's see. We got a little moisture on the dirt today, so I don't know whether they're going to stick with it or not. She had a sight chase going, guys. Now everybody's going to have to give up and come over here and help her. Tell you, Bonnie's the one that can really stick the line, because she jumped him again, and she had a solo chase. It's taken her 50 yards over here by herself, and it took them, you know, they had to listen for her, and they finally came to her, but the moisture gives them any help at all on this dirt today. I mean, it was a big enough bunny that I think it was a big enough bunny they ought to be able to handle it. Doubled back on him a while ago when he stopped and got the sight chase coming back. Looks like he's trying the same thing again. She jumped him again. Must be getting tired. They're getting pretty close to him. I saw him go through there. I just probably didn't recognize it on the camera, but I just saw him go right where they're at. I think he went, I may be wrong, I thought he went straight on. Yeah, she's got it. He went under that cedar, right where they're going now. And this is the deal where I hope he turned, because right, as you'll see, right there's the road. So far, the times I've been out here, I've not had one go beyond right here. They usually turn and go back, but I'm waiting to see what happens here. They're in a check. Well, that race ended up, I think Lace is way in there. Lace, get out of there. Come on, Bonnie, get out of there. Come on, Lace, get out of there. Come on, Lace. Come on, Lace, get out of there. Come on, Lace. Come on, Bonnie. Come here, Bonnie. Come on, Lace, get out of there. Come on, Lace. Lace, get out of there. Come on, come here. Guys, this is my worst fear. I got one in this hole, and she hasn't come out for air or anything else, so I'm going to have to try to get over there and see if I can see what I can see in that hole. She hasn't backed that at all. So Bonnie's the one looking in now, but Lace is the one that's gone, and Lace is the one that won't quit. So I got to see what I got here.